Alright, ladies and gents, just on the warranty process of this Minn Kota. I got in touch with my retailer and then they put me on to BLA Australia, and I ended up emailing them and they called me back like half an hour later and then said give this a go. So I don't know if it's a miracle fix, we'll have to put it to the test, but I'll show you what they told me to do, and so far it's working bloody smicko, so I'll show you. So you want to deploy it. Alright, I might just trim that up a bit, so hold on, so I can get it to it easy enough. What they said is when it's deployed, turn it off, lift it up, so pull this out, lift it up, and then turn it 180 degrees, so I'll do that. A bit clunky, but so that is how it is now. Props facing the other way. Turn it back on, and then fucking stow it. And then I'll show you from this angle here. Normally it's struggled like something chronic to deploy. Now it's just going bloody brilliant. So I don't know what the fuck's going on, but I'll do it from this angle as well. So trim motor salmon, buddy. Well, it's got plenty of poke and it just glides. It's just gliding, mate. Back to how it sounded when it was first new. So yeah, I don't know. I kind of like it better this way with the prop in, so you're not bloody carving up someone's face if they walk past. But yeah, give it a go, guys. So let us know what you reckon. I'm gonna take it out on a trip, see if it's back to its good old self. But yeah, fingers crossed.